Adiabatic process and uncorking of bottles. Champagne bottles exist, and they are oftentimes closed with a cork. A champagne bottle can be cooled to 6 degrees Celsius. In the body of a bottle is the liquid. Then in the neck is a little area between the cork at the top of a bottle and the liquid in the body, where carbon dioxide is. The content inside of the bottle is under pressure, for example 4.5 bar. Not only the liquid, but also the carbon dioxide in the neck of a bottle is under 4.5 bar pressure. When the cork of a bottle is removed, the carbon dioxide is no longer under 4.5 bar, but under just 1 bar. The 1 bar is the amount of the ambient pressure around it. If the pressure is no longer 4.5 bar, but just 1 bar, the carbon dioxide expands. This expansion is in the source material described to be Adiabatically pressure. When the carbon dioxide expands because it is under less pressure, it cools down. That can be to minus 75 degrees Celsius. At the opening of the bottle, the temperature drops below the dew point. The dew point means that the water in the air condensates to little water droplets. The water droplets, and maybe also ice crystals, are as a white grey cloud around the bottle's opening visible. If a champagne bottle has not 6 degrees Celsius when it's opened, but 20 degrees Celsius, the pressure in the bottle has instead of 4.5 bar, 7 bar. The adiabatic cooling down through the greater pressure difference from 7 bar to the still unchanged 1 bar ambient pressure is stronger, because the sudden expansion of the carbon dioxide after opening of a bottle is greater. The carbon dioxide cools down to minus 90 degrees Celsius. When the carbon dioxide has cooled down to minus 90 degrees Celsius, something called dry ice is as a blue coloring at the neck of a bottle visible. Ice consists of water and melts at 0 degrees Celsius. Dry ice consists of carbon dioxide and melts at minus 78.5 degrees Celsius. But it does not melt to water. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, and at minus 78.5 degrees Celsius becomes from being solid dry ice to carbon dioxide as a gas. If something solid like ice out of water becomes at 0 degrees Celsius liquid water, that is called melting. If something solid like dry ice out of carbon dioxide at 78.5 degrees Celsius gets the gas state, that is called sublimation. Solid to liquid, melting. Liquid to solid, freezing. Solid to gas, sublimation. Gas to solid, deposition. Liquid to gas, vaporization. Gas to liquid, condensation. Gas to plasma, ionization. Plasma to gas, recombination.